Good day, my name is Abu Sunday. In this class I'll be showing you how to use symbology in QGIS. That is how you can work with styles, different styles, changing different colors, in QGIS. So let's get started. Now you can see we have a layer here, local government administrative boundary of Borno State. Right, so we want to change the color of this layer. This is not the color you want. Let's say you want to produce a map, and then you need to change it based on your required color, right? So what you need to do is to click on the layer that you want to work on. You can right click and click on property. Right, you can go to this layer property manager from here, or you can double click on the layer to take you to the property. Right, so as you can see, this is style where we are going to work on with this particular class. Okay, so we have a field and then we have simple field. Now if you click on simple field, it will give us the field and the outline. Right, so now we have the outline. Let's say from this map now, from what is displaying down here, you see that we have an outline which is black, and then we have the field color which is this particular color, right? So now what we are going to do now is to see, let's say our field color. Now if you want to change your field color, you can just click on this arrow, right, and then select any color you want. Let's say you can select from here. Let's say I want this green, or you can use this particular sign here and then move it to choose the color you want. So as you can see, you are seeing the color, right? So depending on the color you want, let's assume you want this particular color, and then you click OK. So you see your color have changed. Or we'll go back to the same property, click on simple field. Now let's assume you want to change the color of the outline. So what you need to do is just click on this arrow here and then change the color to any color you want. Let's assume you want red this time around, right? And then possibly you can also increase the width, that is the thickness of your outline, which you can use this arrow to increase it to. So you can click on apply to see how it is, right? If it's not okay by you, you can change it to another color you want, or you can reduce the width. If it is too much, you can reduce the width, right? Okay, now the same another thing again is that let's assume you don't want the field, right? The simple field, right? This field colored, you don't want it. So what you need to do, you click on this same arrow. Now instead of you selecting colors from here, what you need to do, just click on transparent field, right? If you click on transparent field, now if you click on applied, you see that there's no any field color again, you only have the outline color. So depending on the kind of map you are producing, you can now choose the colored or the transparent color that you want, right? Okay, we go back to our property again, right? Click on simple field. We'll talk about increasing the width and all that. So now from the style, now you understand, from this style we have single symbols, which has been the one that we have been using. Single symbol here, if you put, let's say, no symbology and then click apply, you discover that there's nothing to show. The layer exists but nothing will show because you say that there's no symbology, right? So you go back and put it in single symbols and then click applied, it will come back, right? So now on the same place, if you click on that arrow, you see categorization, you see graduation, is field rule based, right? So all those things are different ways of categorizing. In our next class, I will be showing you how you can categorize, how you can do graduated, you understand, rule based. All will come in our subsequent class, but just for you to do a simple symbology, maybe working with styles, you understand, so that I can be able to change color twill, any color you want, you can easily change it, right? So this is a simple way, a simple approach where you can be able to work with your symbology. Thank you very much and have a nice and blessed day.